Welcome to Hydraulic Press channel.
Hi.
I'm Lauri.
And I'm Hanna.
And today we are going to turn our 300-ton hydraulic press into hammer accelerator 5 million. It's going to accelerate the hammers near light speed out of the press. And this is not the first time when the hammers fly out. But after a lot of work by our scientists, the hammers will fly to same direction every single time. The top hammer goes into back wall and the front hammer goes to that window. So now we are going to place targets between the hammers and the window and the hammers and the back wall, and they are going to get absolutely obliterated. Is that word?
I don't know.
Probably not.
It's our safety inspectors.
But that's what's going to happen. And we have already first victims in the bunker, so let's go place the first hammers in and let's how it goes. And we have shitload of high-speed cameras and everything. So we are going to do a lot of science today.
Yeah, and everything is outside.
Here is the setup and predictions. This hammer is going to fly through this watermelon straight to the window where I'm going to watch the action. And then this hammer is going to fly straight to this guy's forehead. He's already quite tired. He has gone through many experiments already, but now it's the final experiment for him. So let's go. Definitely going to close the door for this one. And don't try this at home. Those are deadly. We have bulletproof bunker, we have bulletproof windows, bulletproof door. Everything is going to stay inside. And I have safety glasses just for my mental well-being.
I don't want to be there.
I'm going to be. This is the same thing as the bulletproof window guy being inside of the car that's been shot. I trust my windows. We hit the electrics inside of the bunker, and the fuse went down. Or did we hit the?
Yeah, did we only hit that?
We hit that.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, definitely hit this. I think this got also confused when the electricity got out. Okay. So we are going to replace the electric stuff inside of the bunker, replace the fuse, and then we are going to try again with the high-speed cameras. Watermelon guy at least got like completely knocked out. I can't believe this shit. The original video idea was to see which hammer is stronger, and we didn't broke any hammers. Today was the idea to throw hammers out, and we broke the hammer. The hammer exploded on the last one. But now I have stronger hammers, so now they're going to fly out. I think I'm going to be here. It's actually nicer. You see the hammers. The pineapple is not on the way. Okay, here it goes. The pineapple. It's absolute cinema. Look at this. Look at this. Absolutely. That got also hit to the face. I felt that was like bit soft launch. Let's next throw 2 giant hammers. This is going to make more mayhem. But that was pretty goddamn cool. I'm pleased already. Can't even talk. That was so nice. Finnish summer is here, and so seems to be also the rain. And also our Finnish summer mayhem is closer and closer every week, only a couple months left. And what is the Finnish summer mayhem? It's your opportunity to experience the Finnish summer, hopefully not the rain, and all the crazy shit that we do on our YouTube videos. It's an all-inclusive trip, so only things that you need to do is to get your ass into Helsinki and afford the price. And the program, it's mix of Beyond the Press channel and Hydraulic Press channel, all the best bits. And since the activities are absolutely top level, we wanted to match also with the rest of the trip on the same level. So we are going to stay on the best possible places. We have private chefs taking care of the food. We have nice cars that we use to move around the Finland. And of course we arrange lot of opportunities to enjoy the Finnish summer and the lakes. We have, for example, floating sauna on Industrial Day and all the nice things like that. Price for the trip is 7,500 euros and we have couple spots left, so be fast. So basically I have planned my own dream vacation. So of course me and Hanna, we are going to be the whole week with the group. And our filming guy Otto is going to be also there. So we are going to make a public YouTube video that you don't have to take part on. And also private video for the group to memorize the whole trip, because this is going to be once in a lifetime trip and you wanna remember it. So we will make a video for you that you can watch. And if you are interested and capable of getting your ass into Helsinki on specific date, send email to us. There is email address down in description. And now we are going to go back to crashing and I'm going to get the hell out of the rain.
Here is a total like pineapple mayhem.
Look, there is the eye.
Yeah. And there is the hair and more hair.
Yeah, we are going to set up the cameras again, clean and do this with bigger hammers and better. Okay, sturdy hammers, brave cabbage people, and safety guy is on the second round. He is also really brave. You can watch through here. They never hit these windows, always the middle.
It doesn't matter, it just hits you.
Here it goes.
This is so stupid. Oh, this is so stupid. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh fuck. Sake.
Tuo.
Let's go have a look. Did we? I think it
hit the
Was it that?
panel.
Yeah.
That's a decent hit. How about this guy? I think he got. Hard to say. I think it's time for the high-speed camera. Yeah, they went a bit sideways.
Yeah.
Look.
Yeah, I know.
It just like swipes the safety guy's hat off. Slight tap on the forehead, but like
Maybe not even deadly.
didn't connect properly if we follow like professional terms. There was a lot. It was like 200 tons or something. The lamp is little bit fucked up. It went somewhere there. Is there any?
No,
That's new.
Is it?
I think
Hard
it is.
to know.
Yeah, it went straight there. These are too crooked. I take fresh hammers and one more. I want to see the cabbage people explode. As a world-leading hammer sommelier, I have chosen just the right hammers for our use case. This one is absolutely press-proof. It has flown probably 4 times out of the press, and this has been also really good today. So these are not going to deform much. Only the press is going to flex and throw the hammers with Mach 5 through the watermelons and the ballistic head. So this is the end that the video deserves. Let's go. Here we go. Ooh, that was fast.
Spot on.
Did it hit the window?
Yeah.
It hit the side of the watermelon. I think this deserves the high-speed camera. It's hard to say what the hell is going on here without the high speed. What we hit. At least it was.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's crazy.
Yeah.
It spins so fast
Yeah.
that it first hits with the hammer head,
Yeah.
and then the
Then
hand.
Yeah.
They both went through like the watermelon isn't there at all.
What happens here?
I'm not sure, they are every time. It's some cables. I know why it is. Do you wanna hear? This is exciting. There's a lot of excitement. The press jumps so much that it hits the roof.
Yeah.
And the lamps are hanging from the roof.
Yeah. And then
So the roof goes up and it shakes the lamps and the wires go with the lamps. I think you can, no, we don't have camera for that, but it's the whole the bunker is shaking and everything is going up and down.
Here you can see how low this is.
I have video about why the press jumps. I can link down in description that.
I'm so stressed up now that I
Yeah,
have to start clean.
I think Hanna can't do anymore.
Oh.
This was, it took almost 1 year to like gather the courage to do this. If there is anything to improve, it's going to be 2027 when we do this again. It's a once a year happening when the hammers fly.
Yeah, revisit this magnificent concept.
So that is all for today
Thank you for watching.
and have a nice day.